Hello people, today I'm going to disclose Oneplus Nord pre-order kit. So I know there are many rumors going on in last 1 week, and they recently launched pre-order booking yesterday, and I've got this Oneplus Nord kit. And as you can see, there's Oneplus Nord a logo, a branding, and then there's a color which represent the Nord, and it's kind of a small surprise kit which we have here. And today in this video I'm going to disclose what we have in this. So yeah, let's start. So this is OnePlus kit, and it is a cardboard box. I'm just going to open it. This is what we see here. A t-shirt, seems like a t-shirt. Okay, and yeah, with OnePlus name there. So I personally like OnePlus because of their marketing tactics. I'll say this is one of the best brand I've ever used. And let's open what we have here is a t-shirt, and then a few other things. It's like, looks like an invite and few instructions there. So yeah, this is a t-shirt. I'll say such a good quality, and I have ordered XL size. You can go with M or L, whichever suits your requirement. As you can see, here we have OnePlus logo on there, Nord size. The quality is really good, I'll say. And if it go backside, there's Nord. Now this is amazing. I'll see that Nord by OnePlus and few lines. This is about t-shirt, and here is some kit. So these looks like stickers, Nord stickers, and written with Nord name, a few other emojis there. So yeah, let's see what we have here. Next is, hey, there's OnePlus Nord with your name on it. Like seriously, this is one of the best phone I would have with my name on it. What else do you need? And here is the invite I was talking about, uh, with Nord and 21st of July to be launched. It includes something. So we are opening, and wow, this is just the master of art, I'll say. Just look at this. I personally love OnePlus because of their marketing, and it shows that the time around we come to you with the world's first AR smartphone launch ever. Uh, this is just mind blowing, I'll say. And if you see, made to be launched on 21st July, and we have a small card over here. Let's see what this is. It shows that it's a QR code where it all starts, and this is a card for the launch with a QR code. Scan using your phone and open the link there. Wait for a while to open the website. Click allow. I'm sure the camera will open here, hopefully. Yeah, here it is. So wow, this is amazing. You have a phone in front of you, and this is what I was talking about, the AR launch with the time left for the event. This is just amazing. So yeah, this is what we have got in the kit: a t-shirt, an invite, and a card which can be used on 21st of July for the first AR smartphone launch ever in the world. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, book OnePlus Nord, and let's see what your experience here is. Drop down all your comments, and happy to have the feedback. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Stay safe. Bye bye.